This is Kermit. He's just had 3 baths in a row. In about within about 15-20 minutes, he just kept going into the bathtub. Or the tub of water, have I? And he likes to shake himself dry. And show off all his feathers one at a time. Like he really is right now. Literally like 5 seconds later he's back in there again. It's because I put the tub right next to the only access to for him to have an argument with his parents. So he keeps jumping in there and then having another wash. I keep pouring water under his arms. I think he wants me to do it again.